Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a spicy lamb stir fry. All the measurements and ingredients are in a link right below this video. I had a boneless leg of lamb that I made into curry, had a little bit of lamb left over, so I thought I'd do something different. I've cut the lamb into thin strips. I'm also going to be using chopped garlic and chopped ginger, sliced onion, not too thick or thin, thinly sliced carrots, and chopped cilantro. I'll grind some cumin seeds. The ground cumin goes on top of the lamb, a little salt, and some chili flakes. Mix this up. You can do this first and leave it aside while you cut the onions, carrots, cilantro, ginger, and garlic. To a bowl, add rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and chili sauce. I'm using Sriracha. You can use any chili sauce you'd like. Mix this up and leave it aside. Heat up a wok. The wok has to be extremely hot. Add some vegetable oil. The wok is extremely hot. Now we can add the onions and the carrots. Sauté for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the carrots and onions and transfer to a plate. Add the lamb. When the lamb's almost cooked, add the garlic and ginger. The lamb is cooked, now we can add our sauce. And the onions, carrots. You can add a touch of honey to balance out the heat. Sprinkle some cilantro on top. And the spicy lamb stir fry is ready. Serve immediately over white rice. It's salty, spicy, and delicious. Don't forget to click on this bell and turn on notifications so you'll know when I upload a new video. Subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.